Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another Nintendo Wii segment. And we're going to play Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how we do. I think we'll have a good game here.
Welcome, contestants, to Wheel of Fortune.
Since, Super Nintendo World's at Universal Studios Hollywood, let's play in Hollywood.
And now, from Hollywood, here are the stars of our show, Pat Sajak and Vanna White.
Hey, how you doing? Thank you, everybody. Okay, off to the puzzle board with you. Welcome, contestants, to Wheel of Fortune. It's now time for the $1,000 toss-up. Showbiz, the category. And we'll get it started right now. Won $1,000, off to a good start, player one. Get ready to ring in as we go to our next puzzle. People category for this next round. Let's go, Vanna. Okay, player one. You got it. And now an additional $2,000. You're on a roll, player one. You got $2,000, player one. And there's a great prize on the wheel. Charlie?
Welcome to tonight's jackpot round. And here's tonight's featured prize. You won't forget one. Majestic Vancouver Island. Discover the scenic West Coast harbor with breathtaking ocean and mountain views. This retreat includes fine dining and a full spa treatment. $5,500.
Now we're looking for phrase. Our spinner will be player one.
To spin the wheel, press it.
Come on, big money. 900. There is an Keep it going. Whoa, $1 million wedge. One of them. You've moved a little closer to winning the $1 million.
You've gotten the $1 million wedge.
All right, a vowel. Yes, there is an I. Let's have your vowel. Yes. All right, a vowel. There is an E. Here we are, Will. Player one. The bankrupt got you. I'm afraid you'll have to relinquish the $1 million wedge as well. $800. Sorry. This could be good for you. There's a chance to score big here. Nope, sorry. Come on, big money. 500. Yes, there is an...
Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah!
550. One of them. There you go. Let's have your vowel. There is a few. We are out of vowels. Keep it going. 500. Yes. This could be good for you. 2,500. There must be some Z. How many?
Yeah!
900. One of them. There you go. No more consonants.
Creating a buzz.
We've got a solution attempt here. You got it. Wow. All right, player one. You won a nice chunk of change with that solve. We'll take a break and come back after this. Place is the category this time. That's our puzzle, and here goes player two. $600. Two of them.
Hey!
Keep it going. Choose a letter in the puzzle to pick up that one. No, bad luck. $800. Not in this puzzle, sorry. $500. There is an S.
Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah!
$500. There is a key. Come on, big money. 300. Yep, we got two letters for you. Let's get those up there.
Woo! Hey! Yeah!
400. One of them. Could be trouble. All right, look at that. There are two of those. 400. One of them. There you go.
Hey!
Keep it going. Ooh, very nice. Yes, there is an eight.
Yeah!
Pick up that gift tag. 500. One of them. We have run out of consonants.
Woo! Hey! Oh!
Let's have your solution then, player one.
Automobile dealer shoulder.
Nice going. Congratulations. Congratulations. You've won a prize and all that cash as well. We've still got a lot of stuff to give away. We'll spread it all around. Come on back.
Welcome to the mystery round. One mystery wedge is hiding $10,000, and the other is hiding a bankrupt.
Event is the category. And it's a prize puzzle. There's that magical sound. There's the puzzle, and here goes player three. $550. There must be some hard. How many? Woo! All right, a vowel for you. Sorry, none of those. This could be good for you. 600. There is an L. $500. There are two of those.
Yeah!
Mystery wedge. Choose a letter. Two of them. Are you willing to test your luck for the possibility of $10,000? Taking the safe route with $1,000 per letter. We'll see if you're a gambler in a minute, but first a letter. Yes. That letter is worth $1,000 apiece, but do you want to risk it? Player one is going to take the $1,000 per letter. $600. Yep, we got two letters for you. Let's get those up there. $300. There is a T.
Woo!
$400. Yes. $900. You got it. $300. One of them. There you go. No more consonants.
Annual St. Patrick's Day parade.
Okay, player one is going to try to solve the puzzle. That's it! Nothing to it. Let's not forget, this was also a prize puzzle. What do we have, Charlie?
You'll have plenty to see in Chicago. Hit up Navy Pier for fine dining and cruises of Lake Michigan. Then take in the breathtaking view from the top of the Sears Tower. $5,000.
You've won some cash and a prize. You're doing pretty well for yourself. We'd like these totals to grow, and hopefully they will, right after this. Okay, everybody, third toss-up, $3,000. It's Thing this time. Vanna, go ahead. Let's have it, player one. Anybody else? Oh! Player two? Yeah, congratulations! Player two, you won the right to give it the first spin. Now, Things is the category. And player two is all set to go. $300. You know what? There's none of those. Sorry. $800. No, next time. $350. There must be some guessing. How many? I think I'll give the wheel a final spin. I'll ask you to give me a letter. 15 seconds to solve it. Every consonant will be worth 1,000 plus... $800. Give us a letter, player. Yes, there is an R. 15 seconds if you want to take a crack at that.
Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah!
Player two. Oh, sorry. Nope, sorry. There is an N. And 15 seconds starting now. Player one is going to solve. Let's see if they get it. Yep, that's it. Solved the last puzzle. Congratulations, player one. Player one, you've won big, and you'll be going on to the bonus round in just a moment. Not enough for the win, but still second place. The wheel gave you a little trouble there, but you still did all right. Give that wheel a spin and see if you could increase your winnings even more. It looks like it stopped on this envelope. Okay. The category for this one is phrase. R-S-T-L-N-E. Let's start with those letters. We need 3 more consonants and a vowel. What do you have to work with here? Now you have 80 seconds to try to guess the puzzle. Good luck. What a win! Let's see what's in the envelope.
We're giving you a check made out to cash. $100,000.
I just lost that $1 million wedge. Oh well. 145,000 for the future. It's not bad. Let's go for another game.
Great game. Good night, everyone. Here's how you did.